Good evening. Today we are talking about some basic ideas of math. Now we can see you got the paper after the revision test. What I observe, the content is there, but basic ideas, some basic ideas, maybe fractions, decimals, percentage, addition of fractions, algebra, so much confusion is there. We don't want that. That is why please listen this module. That means basic ideas. Basic ideas of math. See, here it is nothing. We studied before. Remember, please revise. Class 6, class 7, class 8, class 9. We studied fraction. How many mistakes you made? Please tell me. We revise the chapter. Real numbers. Then one more chapter, polynomials. Linear equation only 2 questions. That means first exercise. What I observed, out of these 60 children, 10 are excellent, but 5 or 15, up to 15, I am not happy. I don't want this. I told you in the beginning, if I am teaching you math, you have to study. You have to understand. The first day I told you, enjoy. Don't make any stress. Oh, don't say that to the sir, what is telling. Don't say like that. Don't think like that. All of you be happy. Smile, please. Yes, Aisha. Okay, right. Smile. Enjoy. Celebrate math. Celebrate education. Stress free. Okay, fine. If you are ready, are you ready? Yes. Okay, fine. We can start. Forget. What is the time now? Don't look the watch. Now is the time. Start. Don't look the watch. So, if you are interested, we are helping. Our team is interested to teach you to revise the last classes, that means 6, 7, 8, a bridge course like this. Okay, fine. I am talking about fraction. No need too much. Fraction, like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fractions, mixed fraction. This module I am talking about this one like fraction and unlike fraction and their operations. One thing, believe me, normally multiplication or addition, which is hard. Multiplication, okay, you are right. Yes, joy. Yes, for you multiplication and division you are telling. Okay, you are correct, division. Yeah, but for fraction, my opinion, addition is hard than multiplication. You know why? Multiplication, nothing. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Suppose 3 by 4 times 7 by 2. We can find out. Numerator 3 times 7 by 4 times 2. That is 21 by 8. Sir, yes, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Division. Division is nothing. What I am telling, that is multiplication only. Reciprocal multiplication. You know that idea. Another class I told you. In maths, there are only two operations. One is addition and other is multiplication. Okay, subtraction. Subtraction means change the sign and add. Are you following or not? Clear? Ah, yes, you are talking about division. Okay, fine. Good question. Division means reciprocal multiplication. Look, 3 by 5 divided by 15 by, suppose it is 9 or 2. How can we do? Yes, sir. Reciprocal multiplication. Take the reciprocal of this one. You can take the reciprocal and multiply. 3 by 5 into 2 by 15. 15 by 2. The reciprocal is 2 by 15. Multiplicative inverse. Ah, yes, multiplicative inverse. So we can cut this one. I think so. Yes. 3 and 5. 5 3s are 15. So again 1. That means 2 by 5 5s are 25. That means multiplication is not a problem. You told me, sir, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Yes, fine. Only addition. I told you subtraction is change the sign and add. And now you understood division means multiplication. Multiply with the multiplicative ways. Is it clear? Yes. But I know all are struggling with addition. Normal calculation, multiplication is harder than the addition. You know 3 plus 4, 7. But 3 into 70, little bit harder. That is, or division also, like that one. So what I told, there are only two operations. That is addition and multiplication. It is clear? Now, one more concept I want to explain. That means, yes, you told me, I told, addition is harder. Okay. How can we minimize that? How can we make it easy? That is the problem. So please think about how the method. Yes, think about the misfraction. Misfraction, don't change misfraction into improper fraction. All the method then. Keep at a mixed fraction and add it. You have to understand what is misfraction. Fraction, part by whole. Now all of you please think about fraction. Listen. Now I am talking about same thing, fraction. Tell me what is fraction. Please tell me what is fraction. Hello? Ahmad, please tell me about the fraction. Yes, fraction. Ah, yes. Part by whole, that is a fraction. Yes, 2 by 7. Pizza is here. Last day you brought pizza. So 2 parts out of 7 is a fraction. It is proper fraction, and I don't want to tell the name because that all we studied before. Proper fraction. Now, after that we studied Improper fraction. Proper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. We are looking the denominator. If your mother is cutting a mango or a cake, suppose she is cutting into 7 parts and you are getting 5 parts. For 1 part is not bad. Only 7 children are there, 7 people are there. She can cut in 7 parts. You can take 1 part or 2 parts, 2 by 7. But suppose more, 100 children are there. The same cake she's cutting into 100 parts and you are getting 2 pieces or 3 pieces or 1 piece. It will be very small. You know that concept. Class 5, we studied that. You study that, I know. So here, it is a proper fraction. Now, addition. Suppose this is 1 by 14. It is not like fraction. This is unlike fraction. I am talking about unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Unlike, not like. That means I told you fraction, denominator is very important. Larger the denominator, the fraction will be smaller, 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 like the cutting mangoes, like cutting a cake. Correct or not? Imagine, visualization is needed. Are you visualizing? Yes, think about the pizza or cake. But the cake we enjoyed. Last week, you celebrate the birthday of John. Correct or not? Yes. Am I right? Yes. So here, how can we add this? It is simple, that means don't go to the LCM. We have to make the denominator same. I am talking about general method. So 1 into here, you can multiply 2 into 40, 2 into 40. What is the sign here? Plus, plus 1 into 7, that is 7, divided by 7 times 14. See, 2 times 14 plus 1 times 7 divided by 7 times 14. That means numerator into denominator and the sign plus or minus and denominator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. Correct or not? Correct. No need of thinking about LCM. Now see this one. Here you can see 2 into 14. I can write this one. 2 into factorization. 2 into 7. Because 2 sevens are 40. Then plus 7. Be careful. Here, can you tell me how many terms are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. No. How many terms? Oh, no. Only 2 terms. Terms are separated by addition or subtraction. I told you subtraction is addition. Change the sign and terms are separated by addition. Class 6 algebra. We study that. Class 7 also the repetition is there. Terms are separated by addition. 2 terms. Be careful. Here 7 times 14. Now look here. Can you see here? 7, 7. Take common 7 outside. 782. 7 if you want. 7 into 1 you can take. Nothing is there. That means 2 2s are 4. 4. Then plus is there. Be careful here. 7 I took outside. Bracket. You know there are how many kinds of brackets? Many things we are here. I will explain about the bracket and Bodmer's rule next modules. Now I want to, let me complete this one. Here, plus another 10, 7. Sir, 7 I took outside. What is there? Nothing is there. Can I say, can I write the 0? Don't write, my dear children, because 0 into any number is 0. 100 into 0? 0. You know that is atombo. If you are doing the multiplication, small class, we studied. Teacher taught you. We are doing multiplication, close the door because 0 is outside. 2 into 5 into 10 into, okay, fine, 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 10, 100 into 0. That means 0 atom bomb. Now, you know, bomb, everything in Afghanistan, whatever that, Palestine, Israel, many things are there. Missiles, this is atom bomb, I can say. So, what to do? 7 into 1 is 1. What is 7 into 1? 7. So, this 7 I took outside, that is 1 divided by 7 into 14. Remember this method. In Indian system, it is not the right thing. So, CBSE. Remember this method. So what to do? Yes, addition is over. Cut and cut and put. 4 plus 1, 5. I can say that is 5 by 40. Am I right on? Please note down. Please write this one. Please. Amina. Any doubt? It is clear. Please, any doubt is there? Your face is telling like that. Any doubt is there? Please tell. Don't think that how can I ask Abdullah sir? Because this thing, class 5, we studied. Oh no. Feel free. This is the classroom. Nobody. We will not discuss to anybody. This is our class. This closed door is closed. It will not go outside. Clear? So what I did, instead of doing what is this LCM? I know 7 and 14 LCM is 14. We can do like that. But it is not the new method. That is the older method because here it is easy. I know. Suppose 3 and 14 is coming something, or 3 and 5 is coming. We have to see the LCM 3 into 5, that is 10, no 15. And you have to make the denominator 15. You have to multiply numerator and denominator like that. Time consuming. Not induction method. This is the induction method. Now we got 5 by 14. Look, here the answer is correct. Another method you can try. I am explaining the easy thing, the easy way. You understood or not? So in this concept, numerator into denominator plus denominator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. Do that. In 9 and 10, you made mistake there. Not this one. Maybe S by B plus Y by C. You made mistake. When I go linear equation, when I check the linear equation, I wondered, like this fraction is troubling you. I don't want, I discuss with the math teacher here. I will discuss with the admin also, coordinator, like that. So they told me, sir, prepare a module. I prepare it. So we can discuss it. Doesn't matter. But you must be in this. Is he interested? Ah, yes. You have to enjoy. Yes. Think about this one today. Another one I told you, small thing. So listen here. Any doubt in between? You can ask me. Doesn't matter. Please. Any doubt you can ask about this one without LCM. Maybe some of you know this one because you are coming from different school. Barla school, Poda, Peer school, then many schools are there. I know many schools are there in this class. So we can understand. Maybe some of the teacher explain you. Anybody explain? Ah, yes, but you forgot, right? Okay, fine. Now, listen here. What I am telling. One more small, only 5 minutes. If anybody is boring, I know above average students are there. Please hear us. I am talking an average level only. Understood or not? Okay, you understood any confusion? Your face is telling some confusion, anything? Anything is there? No, then please. Now I rub it. You can remember and tell me. Clear? Next step I can go. I told you only one concept here, addition of fraction. That means without LCM we can do. Subtraction also we can do. Whatever the subtraction, listen here. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. We can do subtraction. We know that 2 by 3 is greater than half. 2 parts out of 3 and 1 part out of 2. It will be greater than. How can you do? It is simple. 2, that means 4. And 3, 1, that is 3. 4 minus 3, because it is minus. Before it was not minus, it is plus. It was plus. Am I right or no? Yes, you understood now. 4 minus 3 by 3 into 2. Be careful. Don't write 3. Don't write 2. Multiply. Multiply the denominator. So 3 times 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. That is 1 by 6. Am I right or no? How fast you got the answer? Otherwise, you had to multiply 3 into 2, 2 into 2, minus 2 into 3, 1 into 3, then writing again that. Then you have come into this answer. Mental maths also we can do. Understood? Maths is such a brilliant subject. Always you vibrate your mind. Vibrate. We need the vibration. Okay, are you happy? Yes. Good. Fatima, anything? No. Okay, fine. Keep it up like that. This concentration I want, this discipline I needed. So 5 minutes more. What I am telling, listen again. Sir, what about the mixed fraction? Who asked that question? Okay, I am coming to that. Okay, fine, good question. Mixed fraction is always a problem because we know the mixed fraction, that is whole number parts and proper fraction. Understand first concept. Whole number part. Yes, 5 is a whole number part and plus a proper fraction. Don't write 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is not a proper fraction. 4 by 3, you know. 1 by 3. Am I right or not? Okay, fine. So 5 plus 3 by 4. Whole number parts and proper fraction. Okay, fine. That we can write 5, 3 by 4. This is a mixed fraction. 5, 3 by 4. Correct? Another mixed fraction, suppose addition or subtraction. Subtraction, because subtraction is a little bit harder than the addition. Do you agree? Yes. Okay, fine. Can I do subtraction? You can do from home addition. Almost same example you have to do from home. You have to make. I will give you 10 questions because maths is learning by doing. You know that maths is learning by doing. Now, suppose I need 2 and half. 2, 1 by 2. Mixed fraction minus mixed fraction. Sir, you have to change it to improper fraction. No, don't do that method. That is old method. Delete that method. We don't want method. We are doing faster method. Mixed fraction we can do. But CBSE not encouraging this one. IGCS is encouraging it. You know, British system, American system. That is encouraging this one. 5, 3 by 4 minus 2 and half. Don't do 2 into 2 for 5 by 2 like that. It will take time. And after that, again, last answer, you have to convert it. You have to change into mixed fraction. Why are you wasting time? Time is precious. Lost time never return. You know that. So time factor is very important for maths, for every test. After this class 10, class 9, class 10, 11, 12, you have to write test for getting admission. I know most of you want to go to America, Australia, Britain, like that countries you want. Test is there. They are not checking which stream you came. IGCS students, American system, Finland system is there. Our Indian system, CBSE is there. Second system I can say, first is IGSC. CBSE is the second best I can say, not bad. Now, here, 5 3 by 4 minus 2 1 by 4. See what I am doing. Here, please understand the difference. Listen, all of you, please concentrate. Are you tired? No, okay, fine. Only 5 minutes I told you. Let me finish this concept. So, okay, fine. Here, look. I told you 5 3 by 4 means 5 plus 3 by 4. Minus, keep the minus there. 2.5 means, can I write 2.5? 2 plus half is 2.5. 5 3 by 4 means 5 plus 3 by 4. No? Yes, 5 plus 3 by 4. That means 5 into 3 by 4. 5 plus 3 by 4. That is same thing, 5 plus 3. Your work is over. Sir, what is the problem? Find the difference. Subtract 2.5 from 5 3 by 4. Subtract 2.5 from 5 3 by 4. Am I right or not? Is visible? Ah, yes, good. Audible, I know. The sound, the echo is here. So, take 5. Okay. Take 5 from there. Look. Take 5. 5. I took 5. Then minus 2. Then what is the plus 3 by 4? Then what is the sign here? Look here. Here also minus. 5 plus 3 by 4 minus, put the bracket, that is better for you. So you can write 5 plus 3 by 4 minus 2 minus half. Instead of writing down, I am writing up. See, don't confuse. Maybe down, I am going up. Now, 5 plus 3 by 4. Can you see 5 and minus 2? 5 minus 2. Plus 3 by 4 minus half. Now see, what is 5 minus 2? Yes, interesting, no? 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2. That means we know that is 1 by 4. Use your brain. Or I told you 3 into 2 minus 4 into 1 by 4 into 2. You can do. Doesn't matter, but it is mental maths only. 3 by 4. We know what is 3 by 4 of a chocolate, of a banana, and half of the banana. 3 by 4 of the banana minus half of that. It will be 1 by 4. Mental maths only, class 5. So it is 3 by 4 minus, that is 1 by 4. I think it is clear. What you are getting the answer? 3, 1 by 4. Very fast you are getting the answer. See, misfraction is not a problem for us now. After the exam, you told me misfraction, it is really a problem, making so much difficulty and confusion time. So don't do Indian system. Don't go to the, what is that, what I told you beginning. Mixed fraction is the conventional method that may change into mixed fraction into improper fraction. I know mixed fraction is improper fraction is mixed fraction, like that. After that, we are doing improper fraction into mixed fraction, the answer. You can check that method and tell me tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll come early morning. That means, okay, fine, 8:30. You can see this one, your method and my method, and find out which is easy. It is easy. I think my method is easy. You can find out. Don't believe me what I am telling you. Please Do that. Math is learning by doing. So you are getting 3 by 4 is the answer. So the question is add 5, 3 by 4. No, sorry, subtract 5, 2.5 from 5, 3 by 4. That's the question. From minus you have to take. Subtract 7 from 6. That means 6 minus 7. Be careful. What is 6 minus 7? Oh God, 1. What is 7 minus 6? Okay, fine. Now you understood. In DJs also I will revise. See, these are the modules for me. Inshallah, I will revise Bodmer's rule, brackets, flower brackets, square brackets, common bracket, number system. You know, only 10 digits are the mass and many numbers are there. And natural number, whole number like that for you. Real number system is there. Then after that, arithmetic progression, AP is there. Decimal percentage, that's also decimal is a fraction whose denominator is 10, 100, or 1000 like that. But percentage is a fraction, everything fraction. A fraction whose denominator is, yes, 100, that is correct, excellent. Decimal is a fraction, denominator is 10, 100, 1000 like that. We can understand that. No need of checking the textbook method. Please close the textbook, come out from the textbook. I am not telling from the textbook. Come out and enjoy the math fundamental things. After these math basic periods, that means almost I need 4 periods. For this one, there must not be any confusion. See, here fraction, like, unlike, mixed, and their operation, decimal percentage, I told you, all are one. Algebra, the favorite subject. Equation, polynomials, equation solution, linear equation, 1 variable and 2 variables, and pair of linear equation, 2 variables. Quadratic equation, and interesting world problem also. You know, the age of father, like that, and son age, some many problems we did in class 9. Now, quadratic equation, area, perimeter, circle, spheres, 2D, 3D, volume, surface area, and volume combined shape. Then polygons, don't confuse our AK-44 gun. Polygons, smallest polygon is triangle, then quadrilateral. Remember, the circle is not a polygon. A closed figure made up of line segment, then convex and concave. Angle, side, diagonals, many things we can describe about the triangle, basic idea. After that, BPT, everything is there. Pythagoras theorem is there, very famous. I will give you tomorrow the mobile number of Pythagoras. That means hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. In a right triangle, hypotenuse, not hippopotamus, hypotenuse, you heard the word. Then diagonals, then types of triangle, I think 6 types according to side, 3, according to angles, 3. I am not talking about the vertex, angles I am talking about. And quadrilateral, many things are there, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, rectangle, my favorite square, and chi. These all are called quadrilateral, that means 4-sided polygon. Triangle is the 3-sided polygon, and that is the baby polygon. Smallest polygon is triangle, then highest polygon, largest polygon, we cannot say, maybe 100 side or 1000 side, it is possible. Then our favorite subject, trigonometry, application of trigonometry, study and probability, everything within 5 hours or 5 or 7 hours. This fundamental thing. After that, we can go to the lesson. Now we completed 3 lessons, 2 lessons. That means you got the paper. I think 9 of you got. Okay, fine. Full mark. Okay, 25 out of 25. Other half of the class, average, I told you, 6, 7, or 10 like that, below average. So we can work together. If you are working together, we can attain the goal. Are you following on? As the expectation of your parents and the expectation of this, your teachers and this institution, we can try together. Okay, fine. Here also, last but not the least, what I can say, 5 minus 2. Here, 5, 3 by 4, 2.5. You can try the method, conventional method, that means mixed fraction into improper fraction, and tomorrow tell me it is correct or not. It is correct. Now, here also, instead of that, we can do 3 Mendel math, no need, 3 into 2, that is 6, and 4 into 1, that is 4, 6 minus 4 by 4 times 2. Don't forget to multiply here. That means here 4 into 2. Here we can see, please listen here. I am writing here like that. You know why? Don't copy. Avoid that habit of copy. This is math. Learning by doing, you have to do the work. See this one? Now, if you are not listening me, you cannot understand what I wrote. Are you following or not? That is the technique behind it. So 6 minus 4. Here we can take, here it is 6. That is the common 6 and 4. I think we can take here. Let me rub this one. Where is the eraser? Okay. Did you understand, right? Math is the subject. Now here, listen me. 6 minus 4, that 2 I am taking out. 3 minus 2, 2s are 4, 3 minus 2 by 4 times 2. Tell me here, cut. I like this method, cut and put method. My students are telling Abdullah sir, cut and put method. That not put and Kerala. This is put, cut and put. This is 2 into 2, cut. 3 minus 2, yes sir, that is 1. 1 by 4, great. 1 by 4, we got 1 by 4 by Mendel math. So 5 minus 2, that means 3. The answer is correct. 3, 1 by 4. Correct? No, you understood? All of you understood? Okay, fine. Let me conclude here. One of you please explain what I taught you today. I told about, I started with what I started? Okay, fine. We started the lesson with the number system, numbers, digits, 10 digits are there, numbers are many like that. Then we came to the confusion area, fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction. So like fraction is very important. For doing addition, we have to change the fraction to like fraction. That means denominator same. That is a like fraction. Then unlike fraction, we are changing it to like fraction. Unlike fraction, we are changing into like fraction. Then doing. I told you there are 2 operations. One is addition, other is multiplication. Okay, subtraction is change the sign and add. What about division? Yes, very good. That means reciprocal. Multiply with the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 5 is 1 by 5. You know that. So you can multiply. So our work is over. That means the multiplication is easy, sir. Correct? Why? Yes, I want the answer. Loudly. Numerator into numerator, denominator by denominator, finish. If cutting is there, putting is there too. Oh, that is easy. So your problem is addition. I think addition, I explained this one. No need of going to LCM. That means whenever fraction is there, proper fraction or improper fraction, doesn't matter. You can multiply numerator into denominator, plus or minus, and denominator into numerator, divided by denominator into denominator, and put in the smallest form. That is why we are taking the common outside. For that one, you can remember d into numerator n into d plus d into n divided by d into d. That is the technique you can remember. That means n into d plus or minus, maybe minus, maybe plus. Again n into d. D into n means n into d. That means no difference. Commutative, you studied 3 into 4 is 4 into 3. 3 plus 5 is 5 plus 3. Both are same. But 3 minus 5 is not 5 minus 3. Don't make that mistake. Division also. 20 by 5 is 4, but 5 by 20 not 4. That is 1 by 4. Remember, brain, see, please attack this basic idea in your brain. So divided by denominator plus into minus. Again, I write in numerator into denominator, no need of multiplication sign. D into D. D into D, don't say D square, because this is D, here 4, here 2. I know it's D into D, X into S square, but it is not same. Denominator, not doctor. So we got after that very important concern, let me stress on this one, mixed fraction. Okay, that means whole number parts and, yes, not improper fraction. Improper fraction is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is improper fraction. Proper fraction. That means combination of 5, 3 by 4 means I can write 5 plus 3 by 4. Then you can do like this, split like that, you can do. No difficulty there, we study like one. Add the whole numbers and do the addition of the proper fraction. Understood? All of you understood, clear? So 10 question, I am going to give you 10 question. Questions are here, 10 question. You can copy. I will send to the WhatsApp. You understood? Any doubt? Ahmed understood? Okay, Zubaida? Yes, correct. What about Nalini? Okay, fine. Okay, no problem. All of you understood? So tomorrow we can see. So work hard and revise from home. Only half an hour, not too much. Okay, then bye. Okay. Okay, stop share I did. But how can you? Where is it? Stop share? I put that. Then after last, then and I need. Close. Record. Record is. I want the record only. Stop share. Then end record the session. ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്യണ്ട അല്ലേ? അവിടെ ഒന്ന് വേറെ റെക്കോർഡിംഗ് ഉണ്ടോ? നിങ്ങൾ നോട്ട് ഇപ്പം ഷെയറിംഗ് ഇല്ലല്ലോ. ഓക്കെ 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 അവിടെ നിന്ന് ഓക്കെ സർ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ഷെയറിംഗ് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ചെയ്തു.